Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to try out a new product from EVBASE. Actually, I got this product for review maybe like around December time, but it's been real cold over here and snowy. The weather wasn't too great. And I also had 20-inch rims on my vehicle, aftermarket, but I decided to go back to the factory rim. They sent me these new style hubcaps, or yeah, wheel caps. I'm gonna give it a shot, see how it looks. All right, let's open the box. All right, so these are the hubcaps right here. Okay, they look interesting. It looked like it's a new style wheels or the new style covers that they have on the new Model Ys. Pretty good. One of the main things I like about EVBASE is the actual clip is more robust. I always say that. Very robust compared to some other models that is real thin. Like you go to Amazon and get these, it's real thin. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you how Amazon looks. See, I kept these, the ones I bought from Amazon when I first got the car, just keep them in the back just in case. But you can see the clips are very, very, very thin. Super duper thin. And it's very flimsy. You can see how flimsy it is. Like they want to break every time you remove them. And you compare them to the EVBASE one, look how thick it is. You see the big difference between the two. All right, let's take a look at the rest of them. All right, these are some stuff that was in the box. You can see this is the foam that actually have to go around the outer edge. I believe that is to soften the actual wheel hub on top of the metal rims. Then it has some caps here. You want to cover up the centerpiece. What I noticed, I see this right here also. Let's see what this is. Okay, these are little Tesla covers. Pretty cool. Sticky in the back. Pretty cool to give you 4. So the other one was just blank covers. These actually have the Tesla logo. Of course, I'm going to choose these. What I also noticed is on the cover that I got off of Amazon, they have metal clips, which you can see have rusted through because it's been in all type of weather, and the plastic is real thin. Compare this to the EVBASE, it is thick plastic, much thicker, and it does not have any type of metal in it. But the plastic a lot thicker. All right, let's see. Oh, and also what I noticed is on the covers, I see some have L and some have R. So that means the wheel have to spin a certain direction. So this is for the left side of the car, the driver's side, and then the other one for the right side of the car, which is the passenger side. First thing I got to do is actually put this on. Now I have the little foam on all of them. Now I'm going to put them on. I'm going to start off with the right side first. These are 2 R's. The right side should be the passenger side. As you can see, there's a hole right here. This is for to put the air stem through. So that's how the best way you can line it up. And see, my air stem is right here. So let's put it right there. Oh yeah, it's a lot better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The plastic clips is a lot better. Now the left side, same deal. All right, last touch, I'm gonna put these bad boys on, these little the T's for Tesla. All right, I got all the caps on. As you can see, I actually like these. These are very, very premium. See how they look? I'm going to show you the before right now. And look at it now. Look how nice these are. This is definitely premium. Very good. Better than anything you can get off of Amazon. Amazon gonna have the cheap ones. EVBASE caps are pretty good. I actually rolled over some of my plants over there, but oh well. See, look at this. This is very good. I will most definitely recommend this. The video I made a few months ago with the side skirt, still holding on pretty strong. This right here is by far the best thing. The front spoiler. This has been on probably about almost a year now. Next month will be a year. But look how good this thing is. I go to the car wash at least twice a week and this thing is still going strong. This is very good. You know, as you can tell, I like carbon fiber. Got my T going there. As you saw the side skirts. I got the carbon fiber fin. I was thinking about doing the carbon fiber rear right here, but when I looked at the instructions, that's something about taking this whole bumper off. Nah, it's a little bit too far. Too much for me. I'm a DIY guy, but that'll be too much. That's a little bit too far. But besides that, it's pretty good. I will most definitely recommend these. The link will be in the description. You get a discount if you use Gadget Pimp or Gadget Geek, whichever one you feel like. But I will put the link in the description. But these, I would definitely, for them to look alone, I would definitely recommend the wheel caps. And of course, I would definitely recommend the front spoiler. Definitely. This is my favorite item, mainly because it actually has utility. It helps block, you know, if you're coming in, especially like I have a driveway that is, I go up a hill a little bit and then I have steps on the side, concrete steps. On my my white Tesla, I have scrape marks on the side, and that pretty much came from me hitting the little platform coming up and just hitting it, just scraping the sidewalk. This right here, it gives it protection. I would definitely recommend this guy right here is a GOAT. But this hubcaps look great too, and of course I like the whole carbon fiber look across the board. Would definitely recommend the hubcaps. All right, like I said it before, if you like this, which I would definitely recommend, pick you up the hubcaps. The centerpiece, I don't believe it normally comes with it. That's like a little extra fee, but it comes with the blank ones. But if you want the T, you gotta pay a little extra, but you can buy separate. But besides that, this is very nice, and it's much better than the metal clips that I showed you earlier. A lot better. All right, peace. Check in the next one. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, and let's see what else I can do to this bad boy. All right, later.